Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to make some jerk barbecue chicken.
Bake jerk barbecue chicken.
Thank you.
Because since it's hot in Florida, nobody's going to be outside grilling.
This one takes a little bit of the fat off the chicken, as we show you guys in the previous video. I'm going to clean it up just a little bit. Just take some of the excess fat off.
Clean with some vinegar, or you could clean your chicken with lime.
With lime, alright. And when you're doing like jerk or something like that, you always make sure you keep the skin on, because it's gonna lock in the seasoning. All right. And
we're gonna be using the Grace liquid jerk.
So you're gonna make it little slits just to make it cook quicker, because a lot of times we don't really have time because we're on the go, and it looks better and it's way easier to eat that way.
To me, it just makes the season taking more.
Yeah, the season taking a lot more better. And as I say, because of what's going on, we can't travel, so no vacation this time of year. But can Jamaica come here still?
We're gonna bring Jamaica to you guys.
All right.
So as you see, we're gonna place it in the bowl. Boom, boom, boom.
And we have our season mix.
I have a dry jerk season, and I have chicken Larry season.
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it in, and we're
gonna mix it up.
Mix it up with a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan salt is really good, guys. It's not overly processed, and it's not bad in the environment, and it's not bleach. Not too much. A little lump came out. That happens from time to time.
Then you're gonna rub it in.
Rub it in. Use both your hands to rub the chicken in. Make sure the season distribute equally. And as I'm gonna say.
And as you see, if you can't go to Jamaica, we bring in Jamaica to
you
on the TV.
Because this time of year, I'm on the day yard right now.
What?
I'm on the day yard right now.
You would have been where?
I'm on the day yard right now.
What? Yard right now.
No, I tell you.
No, just stop.
Jamaica right now. People not bother with that. She just not too fond of me Jamaican talking, but I'm born still, so just have to work with it.
Okay. So guys,
all right, now we're gonna add some of the.
We're gonna show you guys again
the Grace Jamaican style marinade, Oops, sorry. Yeah, man, it's like a put.
So you're gonna drizzle it over it. Oops, that's a lot.
That's a lot, but really matters.
And always have to be refrigerated after. So.
Yeah, so when you open it, put it back in our fridge.
So they say it's good. You always have to shake it up. It's gonna be good on chicken, beef, and seafood. Oh, we gotta try some beef jerk. Oh, which we do have that. Jerk steak coming out.
Yeah, so we have a jerk T-bone steak, So I gotta just, as I say, we gotta do enough video with me Julia Jamaica kind of the man in Jamaica play a nice food man eating, brother. The man they are firing now. Stress out and one bag of work, but. As I say, alright, back to the video, back to the
But this is the barbecue.
Yeah, man, just want to make sure, say, you're rubbing the seasoning chicken properly, cause you want to know, say, the thing just look how it look. Yeah, man, like, say, alright, we'll put a little garlic on it. Just look at the garlic for the flavor. Just a little spoon of garlic, just for the flavor, and garlic healthy. Garlic is very healthy. Just like a little teaspoon or no matter too much, so I want to make sure the garlic in it,
Yep. So we're gonna have that cooking.
Yeah, so obviously we have one that we already had prep already. We just want to show you for preppy. And once again, I know the oven you put we are putting in the oven for how long? How long is that going to oven for?
We put it in the oven for...
What?
I did it because I wanted to cook a long time. I did it for like 45 minutes on 450.
Alright, but everything I got there in the description still, so you don't have to really too much.
Okay,
check the sushi and I go see tonight still.
And please, thank you very much. Okay guys, so now we're going to... Hold on 1 second.
Alright, so this is seasoned, ready for going in the oven. So we did one already, and we're going to show you the barbecue sauce and everything where we are going to toss, funny. Yeah. Alright, now we're going to show you the barbecue mix. Just 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
And this is my little concoction that I came up with. I get some honey barbecue.
About how much honey barbecue sauce?
That's not even a half bottle. It's just a little bit.
How much?
Probably.
Well, we're going to put it in the description. So don't worry about that.
And then I put
so this one is the
Kraft
sweet honey. How you mean? And
Okay.
that one you had, which one?
And so I love this one. So it's a little bit I have left. The Carolina Golden by the Cattleman Men's. So I put that on the
To
side.
me, it's kind of spicy. That's just me.
But it's like a mustardy taste.
It's like mostly spicy, but they're good though.
Okay, and then I put a little bit of brown sugar. I mean, honey.
How much honey?
And I'm just gonna drizzle it. Probably, it looks like it's probably. Ooh.
What? Then I link it. That didn't have to
But
worry.
it's eye measurement for me. So then I just stir it in.
But I could put in
And then I'm gonna stir it in. See, ooh. And then give that color. See, the Carolina makes it a little more runny with the honey.
Alright, now we're gonna drop the chicken in there. See chicken there. Look there. Look there.
Look at the chicken.
Look.
So,
And
hold on.
hey,
What
tell
did
them
you-
about the copper fry in the man.
And then, okay, you can wait till I put the chicken.
Alright. Sorry.
Can you just go back to your regular tone?
I'm regular to yo, I Jamaica settings it up.
Okay, and you toss the chicken up. And I'm gonna give that to you.
I Jamaica settings it up
Okay,
right now.
so
Yeah,
we
man.
have.
There you go.
Which I think we should have just cut it up.
No, man.
Because it's hard to toss
No,
it.
chicken leg quarter, no, brother. Alright, you know
But
what?
anyways,
I might chicken number is me use my honey, man. I'm me and you know, so.
okay, guys.
See this one toss, you know, make sure the sauce go all over your chicken. But you don't know the thing already, you know. We about this.
But I like to put it back in the oven to just have a little crispiness from the barbecue.
Yeah, but we don't want to watch
But
that.
there we go.
We don't want to watch them, man.
We
So you
don't,
go.
yes, we could do it. But then you rub it.
Rub it,
Okay,
see that?
just take some of the sauce. and
Yeah, thing we do it in, brother.
Just put it there.
See that, look there. Chicken body, yo.
So then we're gonna place it on the plate for you guys.
You get a better look at it. See how it came out. Just know, say, yeah, I want something normal.
So then you gotta have
And then we
it.
got to look at taste test, you know.
And then we're gonna drizzle on top.
You swear, I'm gonna show you my show now vibes.
There you go.
Alright, guys, taste test, don't know. There. Put peas on it. Put peas on the board and let's go now and cut it. No, look there. Okay, oh Lord. Yo, easy man.
Okay, you can stop. So let's go,
Look
guys. Okay.
People might say, right? This tastes just like say they want Jamaican jerk shop in Jamaica. Or the halfway tree or anywhere your favorite jerk spot there. Yeah man.
Okay.
Let's try it. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment and just know say. Do to what go on, you want to bring as much island
Due to what's
flavor.
happening in the world today, it's always good to try these new things at home. You can taste the island at your home.
Bye.